Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI. Your search for an unforgettable necklace has ended. This is a compass necklace from LIANYU. It is both stunning and unique, making it a perfect gift. It has a nautical flair. You can personalize it with 12 different color choices for the center stone. This one is the January stone. Now the weight is substantial but not heavy. On the pendant itself, the words say, "I'd be lost without you." So this entire necklace is just perfect for that special someone in your life. It goes with everything, whether I want to wear casual or dressy, this necklace never disappoints. I love the look of it. I love the size and weight. And the way it shines and glimmers, it's just gorgeous. If you're looking for a necklace that is unique, eye-catching with a nautical flair that you can personalize and comes with a beautiful, heartfelt message, this necklace has it all. It comes beautifully gift boxed and ready to give. The chain is adjustable with a lobster claw clasp. So you can shorten it or lengthen it, but you can also fully remove the pendant from the chain if you wanted to place it on a different chain, which makes this necklace very adaptable. This is a stunning work of art that will not disappoint. It has a beautiful message. It shines and glimmers in any light. It's substantial and unique with a nautical theme. This necklace has it all. You will not be disappointed, and neither will be the recipient of this beautiful gift. And that is my point of view.